Hello everybody, in this video I'll be testing and unboxing this Daniel Brighton twin pack foam bamboo pillow. So let me just open it here. Looks like it's packaged very tight. Let me try to remove it from this outer packaging. So it looks like it's really compressed and it's rolled up. So there's two pillows in here. Very tight. Okay, let me try to pull this out. Okay, it's not really working. Very tight. Looks like I've got no option but to remove. Might even break this packaging. I'm just using a bit of knee here. Okay. It's really compressed pretty well. Just going to tear it here. It's already torn a little bit. Okay, here we go. So there's two pillows here. It's made out of bamboo. It's pretty airtight here. Okay, I'm just going to open this packaging. And it looks like, yes, it's really compressed. So these are the two. And you just need to leave it out in the sun as well. It does have a strong smell. So I'm just going to leave it out in the sun and let it decompress, and it should come up like this. So it's a lot thicker than I expected. So it's a lot thicker and it's pretty firm. So if you remove, there's an outer pillowcase, and this is the one that looks like without the pillowcase.